Hey guys, today I have some new Cover Your Gray fill-in powder products that I'm going to be doing a first impression and review on. And these were so graciously sent to me by the company after my last video review of their hair fill-in products. So I'll link that down below if you guys want to check out my review on their original product. So they sent me 4 products. So let's see, I haven't opened any of them yet. So first of all, we have this one here. And then this one has 2 shades in it, medium brown and dark brown. And then this one has dark brown and black, 2 shades as well. And then this one looks more like the original one. They said that it's a new and improved formula, so we'll see if it's any different, but it looks the same. It's just a single color with a brush. And then this one is like a double-ended wand. One side has a sponge tip and the other side has like a mascara wand. And these 2 are in dark brown because my hair is dark brown. So just a little background. I had a baby 6 months ago, so if you hear some baby noises in the background, he's right here next to me, so that's what that is. And I am right in the middle of that postpartum hair loss phase right now. So, and this is my 2nd child, so I've already gone through this once, so my hairline is suffering. But so you can see here, it's like not straight. I got some like balding spots. Even like on the sides, it's like, you can see, like I definitely need to fill in. And then I'll show you this angle because you can see they're starting to grow back, which is super cute, right? So anyway, that is why I have been looking for a really good product to help fill in my hairline, especially on the days when I wear my hair up, which is pretty often. I was using eyeshadow for a while, but I didn't really like it because I felt like it didn't really last all day. It started fading, and then when I went to bed at night, it kind of would rub off on my pillow. So yeah, I've been on the hunt for a great product ever since, so I'm excited to try these out. So first, let's open up this dual with medium brown and dark brown. I'll try to find spots on my hairline so I can test out all these products. So it's actually pretty big. It's like this. Open it up and it's got a nice mirror inside, which I like. And then it comes with this little brush, which I don't know how I'm gonna feel about it, but I will try it out anyway. So I think that I'm gonna use the darker shade. I think that will match my hair better because my hair is pretty dark. So let's just try a little bit right here in the front. And I'm gonna try the brush side. Okay, it's got quite a bit of kick up when I swipe the brush in there. Okay, I feel like that didn't make a difference. I think I just need to do a little bit more. Let's try adding more. There we go, that's looking better. Okay, that looks better. So I just need to go in a couple times to get it the darkness that I need for my hair. Let's try the spongy side. I'll try it on this part right here. Okay, so I feel like both sides of the brush work just about the same. I mean, they work. They get the product on there. I just gotta go in 2 times to get it the darkness that I need, but I mean, it looks pretty good. It does have quite a bit of kick up when I swipe the brush in there, but I don't see it falling onto my forehead or anything, so I mean, it's not really an issue for me. Okay, so far it's good. And I noticed that, so one of the things I noticed about the original fill-in powder was that the surface of the powder started to like ball up and kind of do weird things after my brush went through it. And I don't notice that happening on this one. So that's good. I like that. And the brush doesn't look like it's shedding at all. Well, looks good. Okay, so far I like this product. This one's good. Okay, here is the other one that has dark brown and black. That one actually might be better suited for me. Oh, it's a little one. So this is the size of the original one that I had. And then it looks like the same brush that comes with it. And I wasn't a fan of the brush last time because it was shedding like crazy. Like, actually, this one looks like it's doing it a little bit already. Let's see. Okay, so here are the 2 colors. I'm gonna go, let's see. Let's try this side right here. Let me try the black. So a lot of kick up again. Okay, it's going on there. Try a little bit of the dark brown. It's kind of nice that it has 2 shades, so if you're kind of in between, you can kind of mix them together to create a shade that's right for you. Because that's kind of where I feel like I'm at, because my hair is not black, but it kind of looks like it's black from far away because it's so dark. So actually, I think I like mixing these shades together. That looks better, right? So far, this one's not doing the crazy thing that my original one was doing, where it was like balling up on the surface. I mean, you can definitely see that I've used it, but it doesn't look like little balls on the top. The brush, though, is still shedding. I don't know if you can see it, though. Kind of. You can see the little hairs sticking up there as they're shedding. There, I just pulled some loose ones out. I know it's hard to see, but yeah, still not a fan of the brush. Ooh, it's really bad. It's really shedding. Still not a huge fan of the brush for that reason, but I mean, I have a ton of makeup brushes that I could always use. Okay, now let's go into the original looking one. I'm guessing it's going to be just like that one that I just used, so we'll see. so same size. But this one is, this one is just all one color. And all of them come with a mirror, which I really like. That's handy. And then the same brush. So I'm going to try that on this side. I am saving this side for this because I'm really interested in this one. It's just a lot different than a lot of the other hair fill-in products that I've seen, so curious about it. So let's go ahead and do this one on this side. Okay, that looks good. Actually, this one I feel like might be a little bit more pigmented if it really is a new and improved formula. It seems more pigmented than my original one. And it doesn't look like it's doing the crazy thing on the surface either. But this is the only time I've used it, so I don't know. I'll have to see if I use it a few more times if it starts happening. The brush is shedding again, which I'm not surprised about. So that's a bummer, but the formula seems really good. I mean, I think my hairline looks better. I only dipped in a couple of times. It looks pretty good. Okay. So now let's try this mascara looking one. So the direction, it has precision tip for roots, which I'm using it at my roots, so I'm gonna go ahead and read those instructions. Apply with short strokes to gray roots at hairline and parting line. Comb hair after application to blend with existing hair color for a seamless, natural look. Allow a few minutes to dry. Temporary hair color and shampoo normally to wash out. Okay, so, and then looks like you can also use it on like your actual hair. So, I mean, you know, the brand is called Cover Your Gray, so it was mainly made for people with gray hair. So, I mean, you could probably like hold out a strand like this and then swipe it on. But I'm not using it for gray hair. Not yet anyway. So I'm gonna try, well, I'll show you what both ends look like, but I'll try both ends too and see. Oh, interesting. So here's the mascara side, mascara wand side. So it's like bent like this. So let me try to do a little bit of that up here. Sorry, the lighting in here is crazy. Okay, I think I kind of got like a big glob on my skin, but I guess it's not that noticeable. Okay, now let's try the sponge side. So here's what that looks like. It's like a doe foot applicator. Okay, I feel like you can like see where I first go like this. It's like a big dot on my scalp. So, I mean, from far away, I guess you can't really tell. I'm gonna try to see if I can distribute it a little bit more evenly. I'm going to use the mascara wand side and kind of scrape off some of the color and see if I can like brush it in. I feel like this one definitely, if you're using it for my purpose, it takes a little more effort than the powder products, but It is much darker. It's definitely more pigmented than the powder products. Just got to be very careful with your placement. Make sure you're not messing up your hairline too much. Look okay. So yeah, this side definitely looks much more opaque, I would say, than this side. This side looks like, definitely you can tell it looks powdery, but I feel like, I don't know which side I prefer. What do you think? I don't know. Is it hard to see in this camera? I think this one would definitely be way better if you're using it for gray hair, because I think it will really cover up the gray color. But I think for me, especially for everyday use, I'm going to stick to the powders because I think it's faster, a little more effortless, and actually I think it looks a little more natural. But I will definitely hang on to this because I've noticed gray hairs in my eyebrows already. So I don't know, my gray days might be coming up sooner than I thought. Or maybe I could even use this in my eyebrows. I don't know. I'll test that out and let you know how that works out. But yeah, for my hairline, I think the powder works great. And I mean, I actually like all of the powders that they sent me. I'm just still not a fan of the brush. But yeah, that was it. So I think I would definitely recommend this product, and it's pretty affordable. And I got mine at Ulta. It was the original one that I got was under 10 bucks. I think it was like $6 or $7 or something like that. I don't know. I'll post the exact prices down below. But yeah, if you've tried these and you like them or don't like them, let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, I will see you guys next time. Okay, say bye, Nolan. Say bye. See you guys next time. Bye, bye. No, die in your mouth.